reading words with sh sound, and we will also read some alien words at the end of this video. S and H, S and H together makes the sh sound. Sh sound. They are called digraph or special friends. You will see them together and they always make sh sound when they are together. So let's say sh, 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 shell, sh, sh, shed, sh, sh, shop, sh, sh, ship. Let's read the word. Sh, o, p, sh, o, p, shop. Sh, e, d, sh, e, d, shed. Sh, I, p, sh, I, p, ship. Sh, a, t, sh, a, t, shut. W, a, sh, w, a, sh, wash. Sh, o, t, sh, o, t, shot. F, I, sh, f, I, sh, fish. D, I, sh, d, I, sh, dish. M, a, sh, m, a, sh, mash. Sh, e, l, sh, e, l, shell. W, I, sh, w, I, sh, wish. Sh, o, k, sh, o, k, shock. Sh, o, sh, o, show. Sh, a, k, sh, a, k, shark. K, a, sh, k, a, sh, cash. P, o, sh, p, o, sh, posh. Sh, e, p, sh, e, p, sheep. B, r, a, sh, b, r, a, sh, brush. Now these are alien words. These words doesn't make any sense at all. These words are called nonsense words or alien words because they are not real words. But we can read them. We can use our phonics skills to read the words. Let's have a look. Sh, a, s, sh, a, s, chasse. Doesn't make sense. Another alien word. Sh, ix, sh-ix, shix. Z, o, sh, z-o-sh, zosh. M, ish, m-ish, mish. Well done, everyone. Good phonics and good reading. Bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.